Well, good morning. It's a Chamber of Commerce weather day in Dubuque, Iowa. When you look at this wonderful weather, and today we are at 2436 Mining Court to celebrate the grand opening and ribbon cutting of PCA Pain Care Center. My name is Bob Peacock. I'm Senior Vice President of American Trust and Savings Bank, and I'm the Chair of the Board of the Dubuque Area Chamber of Commerce, and I'll be emceeing the ribbon cutting. Today I have standing next to me with PCA Pain Care Center, Dr. Gordon Beardwood. And we're going to be talking to Doctor here in a little bit so he can tell people what it actually is that PCA Pain Care Center does, located at 2436 Mining Court. Doctor, on behalf of the Chamber of Commerce, I'd like to first of all say thank you. Mike Robbins, and I forget Mike's partner's name offhand, from Michigan, Steve. He and I, Mike and I have chatted quite a bit over the months, and the opportunity that presented to them to come to Dubuque, Iowa. And we sincerely appreciate the company making the investment in Dubuque, Iowa. And of course, you're a new resident to the Dubuque land area at that point, living in Asbury, and that's not a bad thing. So that's a good thing, Doctor, at that point. But the Chamber sincerely appreciates the investment. And on behalf of the Chamber and over 1,400 members, we want to say thank you. But we'd also like to learn a little bit more about PCA Pain Care Center. So Doctor, can you tell us a little bit about what is or what are the types of services that you provide, and how do you work within the medical network that's here already?
Well, basically we treat anything that's painful. Most of what we see is spine pain, but we can do pretty much any kind of pain, whether it's fibromyalgia, joint pain, arthritis, neuropathic pain, diabetes pain, all kinds of things like that. We use a variety of different treatments. Most of what we do is what we call interventional pain management, where we do injection therapy. There's other kinds of things that we do through a needle, such as radiofrequency ablations, that is basically a heat lesion that melts a nerve. We also do implantable devices like pumps and spinal cord stimulators, so we have a lot of different tools in our bag. We do some medications too, but we try not to do a lot of that.
And Doctor, if you could explain to the people that are here today and the people that will be watching the video at a later time, your credentials in this area.
Well, my background is anesthesia. I did my training at Harvard at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center in Boston. And then I did a fellowship there as well. So then after that you get to take a test if you want to be board certified, which I've done, so I've got all that as well.
You might as well finish it off at the end, right?
Cherry on the cake.
There we go. Now, once again, we told people that it's 2436 Mining Court, but how do individuals find out about your services? Do they work through their physician, through a referral basis, or do they come directly to you? And if so, hours of operation, phone number, etc.?
Usually people come through their primary care physicians or surgeons or other specialists, neurologists, rheumatologists. They get here through a variety of different ways. Sometimes they just call us and ask for an appointment. So that's kind of how we do it.
And there is a phone number here for this location?
Yeah, we do. We've got a phone number. I'm not really sure I
Here it is.
remember it.
That's okay. It's a brand new operation. Looks like it's 583-8800.
There you go.
583-8800.
Yeah.
Okay, so once again, location 2436 Mining Court, 583-8800. Is there a website?
There is. It's pcaiowa.com.
Great. Well, we also have some other folks here that want to say congratulations to you. Who I'd like to recognize next is City Council Member David Resnick from the Dubuque City Council. Would like to say a few words, Doctor. David?
Thank you. Thanks, Bob. Dr. Beardwood, on behalf of our mayor and my fellow councilman, Kevin Lynch, I want to thank you for investing in Dubuque and opening your fine location right here. It's a beautiful facility. And Dubuque, I know you live in Asbury, but Dubuque is a growing community, lots of things happening, and if we have any growing pains, we can come to you. Is that true?
Yeah, I don't think I can help you with that.
Okay. Well, we do as much as we can to promote growing pains here in Dubuque. But again, as far as the 58,000 citizens of Dubuque, thank you for investing in our community and helping our citizens with your services.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, David. And Doctor, they weren't able to be with us today, but on behalf of the Dubuque County Supervisors, I was talking to Chairperson Wayne Demmer this morning, and he wanted me to pass along their congratulations on behalf of Dubuque County and their thank yous for investing in Dubuque County. We do have the Sea of Red behind us, as we refer to them. They're the goodwill arm of the Dubuque Area Chamber of Commerce. We call them the ambassadors, and representing the ambassadors today is John Donovan, who would like to also recognize you. John.
Thank you, Bob. Gordon, welcome to Dubuque.
Thank you.
Glad to have you here. Glad to have this here. May I not need it, but if I do need it, I'm glad you're going to be here. The Sea of Red here, we are the Chamber Ambassadors. We're here to help you, work with you, and if should you need anything, our business cards are in there. We've got a variety of businesses that we all work in. Give us a call. We will be there to help and get some answers for you if you can't find them. Also in that envelope, because we're going to encourage you to come to and get involved in the chamber. You've got a couple of passes there to a business AM or PM, so bring yourself, bring some of your staff, get involved. We've got a great chamber. They're active, they're involved, and we find that the businesses that get involved stay involved, and it helps their business as well. So we really appreciate your business and being here. We've got a certificate here to commemorate your ribbon cutting, and hopefully you can display that next to your certificate there. Once again, welcome to Dubuque, and I will look forward to seeing you at one of the chamber events. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, John. Let's go ahead and then cut a ribbon for the PCA Pain Care Center at 2436 Mining Court in Dubuque, right off of Asbury Road. Phone number 583-8800. One, two, Dr. Payne. Congratulations to PCA Pain Care Center, 2436 Mining Court, 583-8800.